The bleeding you. Wow. Aberystwyth Beach and Pier. God, that's a big old pier, isn't it? There's a doggy down there. Nets.
Oh, it's quite gritty.
Hey Joe, I bought this thinking it was like a Bloody Mary ketchup, which would be really nice, but I didn't see Hellfire or Heat Level 5. Apparently it's got a Naga chili in. And I poured it all over me pasty. Bloody hell, it's hot. I reckon it's too hot for you, boy. Wanna come in? Just get in the van. Just get in the van then. What is this? Is something dead here or something?
I don't know. We're the only ones full of...
Right, well, I'm gonna... I mean, there's nothing I can do. Everywhere you are.
No. Unless we just spray the whole van. Get the fly spray.
Well, you can't spray outside.
Why?
You'll do nothing. You're just replaced by 1,000 flies.
It's like something's attracted on the van. It's something.
It's
Have we
not the
hit
van.
something?
No, it's not the van. Let's turn it off to see what happens. Could be the heat on the van. What was it like when you stood over there then?
When I was waiting for you, I didn't see a single fly. And then when you came, they all came.
Don't open any windows. Because who would stay here if you had this hammer in you?
Is it easing off?
Because they're not even... Yeah, maybe. They're not even like forest flies, are they? They're like genuine flies.
Well, there was none down by the toilet and when we was waiting.
No. Well, there was none on the walk up here.
They've gone.
Go, yeah, nearly. Either that or the whole of the front of the van is just like a swarm of writhing. Come on then, Sam. Do you know where you're going, Sam? Alright, I'll follow you. He knew what he was doing. Well, Sammy seems convinced. It's like a little river, isn't it? There's there's a couple. Oh, look at that couple. Reminds me of Adie and Lee. That's Lee spelled L-E-E, the boys' way. Ah. Now that's an estuary. Even for an Essex boy, that's pretty big. Dangerous Brother has got me out on the march. I think we're looking for that turning just up there, thankfully. Doing a spot of geocaching. You never know, might find something. Ah, there's the clock they talked about. I think that is supposed to be, or was once on a cruise ship. That's pretty cool. Now you see it, now you don't. Not seen one like that before. What about you, Sam? Not seen one like that before. That is amazing. I think that was on the front of a ship, the bow. As Sam pulls me arm. So Sam, you understand the rules of Gruffalo? Oh, Don't even want to know the rules. Okay. Right. There's that Gruffalo boy. Get that Gruffalo boy. He's getting that Gruffalo. It's just different level, this campsite. We were hit by a swarm of flies as we arrived. And now look at that. Different levels. Morning. How is that for a view? That's a huge estuary. And I could hear geese all the way from my van. And so I thought, I'll come down and have a look. I think we're all out there. I can see loads of black dots on the estuary itself. So I assume they're the ones making the racket. We're just up the road from Aberdovey. And you can see the train track there, which is a working line. Single track, but working line. That goes into Aberdovey. It's a nice morning. Yeah, if Disney did Welsh mornings. Nyth Robin campsite.